Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. I'm getting the house ready for summer. Super excited that summer is around the corner. So in today's video, I partnered with Cedar to bring you guys an easy mess-free cleaning routine. Now that we're cleaning more than ever, it is important to pick up a good pair of gloves. I am loving the Playtex Living gloves because they come with this very flexible material that it can make it easy for you to clean and move your hands. And the best part is that it keeps you dry. You heard that right. It is designed with this cuff that keeps your hands and arms dry while you're cleaning. I am in love with these gloves, especially when you're cleaning the bathroom, guys. After I was done cleaning the front door, I moved into dusting all my blinds here on my entryway. Doing some DIYs the other day, and Jaden of course got a hold of my DIY storage box and he started taking everything out, and I'm over here just picking that up. Entryway area, I'm just removing all the decor that I use for spring, cleaning the area, the table, the mirror, and then of course we're gonna get it ready to decorate again. So now it's time to get those floors clean, you guys. And if you're familiar with my Clean With Me videos, then you've seen my Cedar Map before. This is the Easy Rain microfiber mat from Cedar, and I'm obsessed with it. I've been loving it for such a long time. About the Cedar Map, it's the built-in ringer that allows you to be hands-free while you're mapping, and also the map head. The map head, it's made of microfiber, you guys, and it's in this triangle shapes that makes it super easy for you to clean into corners. Also, it's totally reusable and machine washable. Here I'm just gonna show you a new refill just in case you want to see how it looks when it's brand new, because obviously mine is used. That's another thing that you could pick up refills as well whenever you need them. It gets better, you guys. The Cedar Map removes 99% of bacteria from your floor with just water. You heard that right, simply water. I personally like to use warm water when I'm cleaning my floors, but you're more than welcome to use your favorite cleaning solution. Don't forget to check the description box for the Cedar Map link and also the Playtex Living gloves. Start by mapping the entryway first, and you guys, not only I use my map to clean my floors, I also use it to clean my baseboard. That's a little hack for you. I love it because the map head is super flexible. You could use it and it makes the baseboard look brand new again. The entryway is nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. I'm gonna keep things very simple in this area. I'm gonna be adding a pop of color blue. If you guys watch my recent video, then you know that I told you guys that I bought some few items that are blue, and I just want to add that pop of color for the summer for the first time ever in my home. I hope you guys like it. I am loving it so far. I have this cute soap dispenser that I wasn't using, and I decided to pour my hand sanitizer in there to have it here on the entryway. Now it's time to clean the living room. So what I'm doing here is just picking everything that don't belong, and of course all the Easter decor, moving that out of the way so I could clean and give this area a nice wipe and then get it ready to decorate again. Time to map the living room. Another thing that I love about this Cedar Map, it is the foot pedal that makes it super easy for you to control the moisture that you want on your map head. So you can see here, I want it really dry, and that's exactly what I got. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my coffee table and my side table here. So here we are just changing the window treatment. You guys, I can't complain. The hubby has really been helping me a lot with the housework, especially now during quarantine that he's spending a little bit more time at home. So the pillow covers, the white ones, are from Amazon. I will try to link everything down below. And these beautiful blue pillows are from Burlington. My side table, I'm keeping the same white ginger jar that I used for spraying. I just took out the florals, and then I'm putting this small ginger jar and I'm adding some white flowers to it, and that just gives me a pop of color in the area, and I think it looks super pretty here. The coffee table, I'm keeping things simple. If you remember this white planter from my haul, I'm using that here, and then I'm putting things that I already had at home, and also the beautiful coasters, of course, that I picked up this year. So for the other side of the living room, I'm honestly not doing much because we're planning to renovate our fireplace, so I'm just not going to touch this area as much. I'm just changing the pillow covers for now. Now I'm gonna pick up and clean the dining room. We're not gonna be decorating the dining room because this video is getting a little too long, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the area and have it ready for when I'm ready to decorate it. So we're teamwork around here. I'm not the only one that loves the Cedar Map. My husband is also a fan, and he's now cleaning the dining room and the staircase. As you can see, that's another great thing about this map, is that it fits so well in the stairs. Look at that. That was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I want to give special thanks to Cedar for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links.